Good morning, sunshine. Sierra here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you to everyone who subscribed so far, and if you aren't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, and then at the end of this video, if you liked it, make sure you hit that like button. In today's video, we're going to be doing another Star Wars cake, but this time it's going to be a painting of Baby Yoda. So let's get started! Like each cake video, we're going to start off with the cake first. So the things we need is our cake, our spatula, our buttercream, our cake scraper, our cake board, and the turntable. All right, guys, do it with me. Buttercream first on the cake board. Bottom layer. Buttercream. Middle layer. Buttercream. And our top layer. And now it's time to crumb coat. And into the fridge for 10 minutes. And now we do our final coat. I like to use a piping bag because it's way easier to control than plopping your buttercream on with your spatula and then trying to get an even amount of buttercream on there. All right, and then with this cake, I'm gonna work on trying to get a rough edge on the top. I don't really want a clean edge. Just starting with the top and using your offset spatula, smooth that out. Then get your scraper and scrape away the sides. That way you get a clean edge on the side of your cake. This is where you're gonna see some air bubbles on your cake, and you're just gonna fill that in with buttercream. And you can smooth it with the spatula first. And then use your cake scraper to smooth the edge. All right, and I'm actually gonna create some texture on this cake. So I don't need the edges to be like super smooth. And I'm gonna do this by crumpling up some parchment paper, opening it back up, and placing it onto the cake. Now I'm gonna set this in the fridge until I'm done working on the Baby Yoda. So to make Baby Yoda, I'm just gonna roll out my fondant to about 1/8 of an inch thick, maybe a little thinner, just 6 inches by 4 inches, because that's how big I want him to fit onto my cake. All right, cornstarch it up and let's roll.